Hi, I'm Meagan Longoria with Procure SQL, and I'm here to invite you to our webinar on September 18th titled Automate Power BI Tasks with Semantic Link Labs. As I sharpened my Power BI report creation skills, I started making checklists of things to validate and update before publishing my report to the next environment. Things like making sure my tooltip and drill through pages are properly hidden, checking that my bookmarks are configured correctly, and removing any unused custom visuals from my report. If you work in enterprise analytics, you likely have a similar list, and you probably realized that these quality checks and cleanup tasks can get a bit tedious without some external tools to help you. In this webinar, I'll show you how you can streamline many of these tasks using a Fabric notebook and the Semantic Link Labs library. You'll learn the prerequisites you need to do this in your Fabric environment. You'll get an intro to Semantic Link Labs, and you'll see the scripts and Semantic Link Labs functions in action. If you'd like to know more about automating your Power BI report cleanup tasks in Fabric, be sure to join us September 18th at 1 p.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Pacific. You can find the registration page on the Procure SQL website or just use this QR code. I hope to see you there.